Today I'm going to teach you how to create the simple and sample table in a SQL database. First, we need to create the database. In that database, for example, in my SQL Server, we have two databases here. One is ReadyDB and another one is HRD_DB. In ReadyDB, I'm using my ReadyDB. Okay, okay, ReadyDB. Yes, in that, how to create the sample table. It means very quick, simple. Okay, first we need to use the syntax as a create table. Create table and table name whatever you want, like I'm creating student table, students table. Okay, after that, whatever the columns we need to uh, in the table. For example, my first column is student id, student underscore id, and followed by a data type. The student type data type is int and it is not null. Okay, after that, another column is student name, score name. Okay, the data type is varchar. The length should be 100. Okay, 100. Okay, after that, marks data type is int, and after that is whatever the you require. It means whatever the you want required columns followed by a data type. As means it is in int data type, int, and close the bracket. Yeah, in this way we can create the simple table with the required columns. Currently I am executing this statement. Yes, execute. Yeah, simply table is created. We can see the table is created or not in the DB. Open the database and tables. Yeah, we can see the dbo dot students. Okay, simply select star from students. It means it will display the all the columns, it will display the all the data in the table. Currently we don't have any data, that's why it's showing as a blank table with the column names student id, student name, marks, and age. Now we need to insert one or two rows. For example, sample data. Currently I am inserting one or two rows. For inserting any type of data, we need to use the insert statement. Insert students. Okay, insert into students. Okay, is a insert into followed by a table name, values. In that values we need to provide the required values. For example, student id is 1, and whatever the student name is a varchar, it is must be in double quote or single quotes. For example, I am using Rakesh. Okay, after that, marks is a int data type. We can use double quotes or single quotes, or we no need to use those. 340 marks. Okay, after that is also int data type, that's why integer, so we no need to use double quotes or single quotes, we simply provide the value. Okay, and now I'm executing this statement. Inserted. Okay, one row affected. Now again I'm selecting the students table, checking the values are successfully inserted or not. Yes, it was inserted. Okay. Similarly, we can insert the more values. More values, for example, we can insert at a time we need to insert one or more values. We simply copy this statement more times, 1 and 2. Okay. I'm using 2, and for example raw and marks 560 and is 21 21. Okay. And here Ramesh and id 3 and marks 760 and currently is 14 years. Okay. What are the values you want? Okay. Here Rajesh, id is 4. We no need to every time we need to provide these IDs actually. In this video I'm telling the basics table, that's why I'm inserting every time, but in advance we no need to provide every time student ID. Okay. And marks are 670 and currently is 15 years. Okay. Right now I'm executing these three statements, totally 4 rows inserted into the students table. Yeah, 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 inserted, successfully inserted the 4 rows. And now how to delete any particular row in the table. For example, I no need to this doc row 2 raw and 560 21 is row. I need to delete entire row. Yeah, we can see the following statement: delete star from students. Yeah, delete star from students, where we must provide the where condition, because uh, if you don't use where, delete star from the students means it deletes the entire data. If you using where condition, it fills the certain rows. Where student name equals to raw. Okay, raw. It deletes only particular row associated with student name as raw, or anything student marks as 560 and age as 21, whatever it may be, it deleted entire row. Okay. Currently I am executing this statement. Yeah, incorrect syntax near star. Oh sorry, no need to use star. It delete entire row, no need to use star actually. Yeah, successfully deleted. Now again I am selecting this students table, see what will happen. Yeah, successfully deleted. Now you have 3 values. Earlier we have 4 values. Recently I am deleted raw statement, raw row. That's why right now we have only 3 rows. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.